Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Realme phone color problem setting and how can we disable this setting. So friends you can see guys your everything is different in your phone. Friends you can see your icon color and guys your screen color is different. So how can you disable this setting? Today I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video. So first of all guys we will on our phone setting to disable this color correction. After on phone setting I scroll it and friends click on guys this system setting guys, click on system setting guys, tap here, then guys click on guys your accessibility setting guys, tap here, friends click on this vision setting, and friends you can see your color correction setting guys, tap here, friends you can see right side this icon guys, tap on this icon, then guys this setting will disable guys, your everything is fine in your phone guys, you can check. So as you can see your skin color is normal and guys your icon color has come back. So like that guy we can disable this color correction setting in realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye bye friends.